Hello guys, as I told you before, the game continues with this short trends. As I told you before, you can see with me the Dow Jones, which is the ETF. So the ETF goes down. This is a small trend, about 2 weeks, and then we have another trend up, which is the opposite, and it stops here. And then we have another one that's going down. And then last week I told you we have a good week, so it was an excellent week. And this week it seems it's the opposite. Okay? Now, whether it stops here or it continues to go down here and then it comes back again, this is the game that I'm always speaking about since the correction. As you can see, this correction was very big here, and now you can see that it is just very small trends here and there. Then we have a big trend for 3 months, and then the play continues to do again. Now, if you go to S&P 500, it's the same thing. Because the players are the same ones that are pushing the market up and down. Who will push S&P 500 down like this? Okay? It's all the hedge funds, all the Wall Street guys. Okay? That this situation continues the same in order to make trouble to the market as it is going down and going up without having a trend, a good trend like before. See here, as you can see here, it has a trend that it is going up. As you can see, it was very nice. But this all stopped in order to get back to our correction. And you see now, as you can see now, this today, which is Tuesday, the stock market, okay, Tuesday, the stock market has lost a lot, 3.25% for the S&P 500, which is the ETF. I'm speaking about the ETF. And it can continue maybe going down, or it can maybe going up. So no one knows what the Wall Street guys are doing to the market. Now, if you go to Russell 2000, you can see it's the same game. Okay, so there is a trend down, a trend up, a trend down, trend up of last week. I told you it was a nice week. And then, let me see here. Okay, and then here, for Monday it was good, and then Tuesday was going bad. So those who are doing day trading, it's these days that the people make a lot in day trading, where they see red candlesticks, and it's the probability of coming of these red candlesticks are very, very large. That's why people are just waiting if a day like this, because a day like this here for Russell 2000, it's 4.26%. It's too much for a day. So those in the morning, they just begin with the morning, and it was shorting until the end of the day. So it's the whole day. And if you take, for example, 15 minutes, okay, what is it here? Yes, you can see, let's take those. This is the day of today, beginning of this line here. Okay, beginning of this candlestick, and you see how each 15 minutes the Russell 2000 ETF are going down. You see that? You see that? You see that? It continues until the end of the day. It means the whole day. If you are a day trader and you are here at Russell 2000, and you told me you are not making money because you didn't sell short, this is a big problem for you. Okay, that's why I told you that the market is still in trouble, going up and down. So there is no clear trends in the market. There are just few small trends. So either you do day trading, or you play the small trends, or stay away out of the market. Thank you very much, and see you next time.